Hey RestoMods fans, car lovers, everybody who's been following along, we're just short days away from giving somebody this 68 Camaro or 40,000 bucks. As you can see here, coming a little closer, she is dusty, she's a little bit dirty, she's been sitting in the garage, and what we're gonna do today is use some of our Gold and Shine products to get this thing shiny, looking good, ready to go to a new home. So we're gonna hit the outside with the Gold and Shine car products. We're gonna hit the leather seats with our interior and trim, and we're gonna get this thing ready to go. Let's take a look in the trunk. All right, so this is the Gold and Shine Deluxe Tote Kit. It's got everything that you need to get your car from wheels to hood, interior, motor parts, trim, everything in between. So we'll start here with our California car duster. One of my favorite things that we have in the RestoMods store. If your car has been washed or it's sitting in the garage, you've been driving it a little bit, and it has a thin layer of dust on it, this thing is perfect for just hitting your entire car. You can do the whole thing in about 30 seconds. The tote kit comes with a handful of different towels. This one here is a little rougher for those exterior parts. A couple microfibers, and they're all kind of varies of softness. And these gray ones here are the softest things I've ever experienced in my whole life. So let's dig in here and see what we got as far as car product. The Clean and Clear, this is gonna be for your glass, your windows, mirrors. The Wash and Wax, this is the Gold and Shine soap. We're gonna hit our exterior with this. Stuff is awesome. Quick Shine, this one is one of my favorites. If you have bird poop, if you have dirt, dust, something small that gets on your car, you just need to bust it out real fast. Quick Shine, spray it on there, hit it with a microfiber, and you're good to go. We got the interior cleaner. This is gonna be for your leather seats, for your dash, any vinyl parts or leather parts inside of the car. The Brilliant Wheel Cleaner, it's gonna get those wheels shiny, of course. Go-to cleaner, this is gonna be a degreaser for those brake dusts, for anything that is stuck on there that you're having a hard time getting off. This is what you go to get it out of there. Tire and trim. So this is gonna get those tires black. Any trim parts that you have that have been in the sun, that are faded out, turning gray, this is gonna revitalize those and make them black again. And last but not least, of course, the cream wax. Once we're done cleaning this thing off, we're gonna hit them with some wax. And we're gonna keep this thing shiny. It's gonna be all ready to go for its winter in its new home. So let's get to it. So before you wash your RestoMod, you gotta be dressed for the part. We gotta be ready to get down and dirty, so let's do it. All right, so now that we're dressed for success, let's get into it. All right, so the first thing that we're gonna do to get this car clean is hit these dirty floors with a vacuum. Oh! So the next thing we're gonna do is hit all these interior leather parts with our interior cleaner from Gold and Shine. Let's do it. We're gonna hit off this trim parts with some tire and trim. It'll make all these black parts, all this dash, look brand new. Okay, we're almost done. I'm gonna use this Quick Shine for the interior painted parts and make those all shine like the rest of the ride. All right, so we just hit the interior off. We're gonna pull this bad boy in, we're gonna spray it down, and we're gonna get a little hand wash on all these exterior parts. All right, so we got our wash and wax, we have our RestoMods cleaning mitt, and we have our little bucket. I'm going to give this thing a little spray down, and then we're going to hand wash it from the back to the front. We're going to get those tires. We're going to have this thing clean. All we need here is just 2 caps full of this wash and wax. It's a crazy color.
Shut up and sit down.
So we got our basic wash done, sprayed off all the soap, And we're gonna give it a quick dry, and then we're gonna wax this baby up. So again, we have our wax pad and our cream wax. So let's get to it. All right, so that was our last side of waxing. We're gonna pull it out into the sun, take a look at it, see if we missed anything, and see how she shines. All right, so we'll get another fresh towel and hit it off one more time. So any wax that's left on here is going to cake up and be like little white chunks in the crevices of your car. So you definitely want to get in there. Make sure you get all of those in spots like this. Kind of run your nail through that with the towel on it. So let's do the tires, and then we'll get under the hood, and then we'll hit the trunk. And I think the glass, it'll be all right. So this is our brilliant wheel cleaner. We're going to hit the wheels, let it soak in for a second. Then get in there and get all that dirt out. Okay. This is a little rougher towel. We'll get all that brake dust off there. We're gonna let that sit for just a couple minutes. All right, not too bad. Get a little GT 500 over here. Pretty nice. Show the people. There it is. Get most of this dust off here. We got our tire and trim. I'm gonna throw some of this on the towel here. And this is gonna bring all this plastic back to life. Let's head to the back and we'll get the trunk cleaned up and we should be good. So we're just gonna hit the leather up here, clean it off. The sub box is a little dusty, dirty. It's in the trunk, but I want it to look good because it does. Haven't seen the trunk in this thing, two 12-inch subs, 1000-watt mono amp, and a 400-watt 4-channel amp for the door speakers. This thing thumps. Definitely does, probably will blow away your brand new car, so watch out. Check out our store, RestoMods.com. You can get any of the products that we use to clean this car. And also check out our sweepstakes because we just have a few days left and you can win this car. So maybe next time you'll be the one washing it. Thanks for hanging out. It's been fun. I don't know, if you're a car guy like me, this is some sort of meditation. It's extremely relaxing. Hit us in the comments below if you agree. And if you don't, hit us in the comments below. Also subscribe to RestoMods on YouTube. Check us out on Facebook and Instagram. And keep on cruising, baby.